Hey guys, thanks for tuning on in. Before we get started, I just want to take a little minute and talk about our free Facebook group called Credit Score Hackers, where you can get answers to your credit questions from experts in the field, as well as people in a similar situation. So thank you guys so much once again for tuning on in, and I hope to see you on the inside. Moving on to our next category, we have kind of the top credit cards for fair credit. Now, the Capital One Platinum card is a great alternative with an annual fee of $0, and there's no reward rate or intro offer, and the recommended score is 630 to 689. So the access of this card is you get access to your account 24/7 via the app. It also uses online banking to access your account, and once again, it has that mobile app to kind of, put everything in one place for you. In addition to this, some of the bonuses is after 6 months, you are automatically considered for a credit increase. So it's very good, once again, if you kind of have that fair to good credit score and you're looking to level yourself up and get up to that like 700 to 750 range. And in addition to that, you can pick your monthly due date that works best for you when it comes to a lot of the billing. It also offers fraud coverage, which, covers if your card is lost or stolen. In addition, it offers contactless card. Just hover your card over a contactless, kiosk when purchasing items or at a cash register, and you'll be able to purchase items that way, which is great. So kind of moving on to another great alternative is going to be the Capital One Quicksilver One cash reward card. Now, this one has an annual fee. It's going to be $39, but it's good for scores anywhere around 630 to 689. So the reward rate is 1.5% cash back on everyday purchases, which can be very good if you want kind of a jack of all trades cards. So this includes rewards without signing up for, rotating categories or anything like that. It's going to stay pretty consistent, and there's no limit to how much you can earn, and it doesn't expire as long as the account once again stays open. So some of the bonuses of this card is you could automatically be considered for a higher credit limit within 6 months, which is great, especially since you're wanting to build up your credit. You can upgrade and kind of level yourself up in that credit world. So you can also monitor your credit through the CreditWise app, as well as it being free for all members. You could also get customized alerts and manage your account through the Capital One mobile app too. So moving on to another card, there's the Upgrade Visa card with cash rewards, which has an annual fee of $0. And this also includes a $0 activation fee and maintenance fees. So your recommended score for this is a 630 to 850. And the reward rate is going to be 1.5% cash back on everyday purchases. And you can combine the flexibility of this card with the low cost predictability of a loan. So it also offers contactless pay with no touch payments, kind of like the previous card that we mentioned. You can access your virtual card while you wait for your real card to arrive. You're not having to sit and wait for the mail to start earning that cash back. Some bonuses for this card is you could see if you're pre-approved without hurting your credit score. This is perfect because every time you apply for a credit card like this, it's a hard inquiry check, which if you get denied, you're still stuck with that hard inquiry on your credit report, lowering your credit score. You don't have to worry about that with this card. You can apply for this card without having to worry about it as long as you go the pre-approval route. So there's also a $0 fraud liability with this card, and you don't have to worry about unauthorized charges. This card is great for large purchases, and it has predictable payments. So you can really start to maximize that kind of cashback reward offer with this card as well, without having to fret or worry about the risk of doing so. So moving on to the final category we have, which is going to be business credit cards, we have the American Express Blue Business Cashback card. So this one has an annual fee of $0, and it's a recommended score of 690 to 850. So you need kind of a decent score for this. And the APR rates, at least for the intro period, is 0% for the first 12 months. And then the regular APR ranges between 13% and, roughly 20%, depending on your credit worthiness. And the intro reward is earned $250 after you spend $3,000 within the first 3 months. Some of the reward rates for this card is 1% cash back automatically earned and credited to your statement. And you'll also get 2% cash back on all eligible purchases up to $50,000 per year during the calendar year. So some things to know about this card is from workflow to inventory to floor plans, your business is constantly changing. This card gives you the power to spend beyond your credit limit without expanding buying power. This does not mean you have an unlimited amount of spending power. It just means that you can adjust your card with use, payment history, credit record, financial resources known to American Express. So the next card I want to discuss with business credit is the Blue Business Plus credit card from American Express. It has an annual fee of $0 and a recommended credit score of 690 to 850. The intro APR rate is 0% for the first 12 months, and it goes up to 13% to 20% APR based on your credit worthiness. So some of the reward rates is you can earn 2 times the membership reward points on everyday businesses, office supplies, client dinners, things like that, and 2 times applies to the first $50,000 purchases during the calendar year. And you have 1 times the membership points reward after you reach the $50,000 point limit. So the bonus reward for this is after spending $3,000 within the first 3 months, you can earn 15,000 membership reward points, which can be huge for your business. Some things to know about this card is expanded buying power is offered. You've got the power to use your card beyond the credit limit. It's not unlimited, but it adjusts with your use. Payment history, credit record, financial resources, all of that great stuff that American Express knows about, it will adjust accordingly. All right, so for our final card we have to discuss for business credit is going to be the Inc. Business Unlimited credit card. So this one has an annual fee of $0. The recommended credit score is 690 to 850, and the intro APR rate is 0% for the first 12 months. Now, when it comes to the reward rate, you can earn up to $750 on statement credit if you spend $7,500 in the first 3 months. So you can also earn unlimited 1.5% cash back on every purchase you make with your business. You can redeem these rewards for cash back, gift cards, travel points, as well as more through the Chase Ultimate Rewards program through their app. You can also earn additional rewards with employee cards with no additional charge, and you can also set individual spending limits. So this is a great card for maybe businesses that are starting to incorporate more employees into their business and are looking to expand into the business credit category. So what else do they have? Well, they have some great fraud protection programs for this card, and your card transactions will be monitored for possible signs of fraudulent activity. And if there are, you will be immediately notified through their app. You won't be held responsibly for unauthorized charges made with your card or account information as well. So what should you take away from all of this? Well, when it comes to credit, you should really only apply for credit when you need it. You don't want to get more than you can handle. Now, remember, just because you get, say, a $6,000 credit limit doesn't necessarily mean you should spend $6,000 during the spending period. Like I kind of mentioned passively through this video, you want to try to make sure you spend below that 30% utilization rate of your total available credit. But if you can, keep it beneath 10%. That way you can maximize your credit utilization rate and actually build some credit that way. Now, you may have to sacrifice some rewards for that, but it will be worth it in the long run. So with all of that out of the way, I would just like to thank you all for tuning in, and be sure to give us a thumbs up and comment any questions or concerns you have down below, with a special chance to be featured in a future video topic as well. And also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to stay notified whenever we put out a new video. So thank you guys once again so much for tuning on into the Credit Agent Show. My name is Michael, and we hope to see you in the next one.